Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will be crucial in safely opening your device and replacing the switch. If you don't have these tools on hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you can access the help you need without any hassle. Next, power off your Nintendo 3DS XL completely. It's important to work on a device that is not powered on to avoid any electrical issues. Begin by removing the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. There are several screws located on the back. Be sure to keep them organized as you remove them to make reassembly easier later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off and set it aside. You'll now see the internal components of the device. Take a moment to inspect the area around the left switch for any dust or debris. Cleaning the internal components can prevent future issues. Now, locate the left switch on the motherboard. It's usually found near the top left corner of the device. Carefully use the plastic spudger to detach the switch from its housing. Be gentle during this process to avoid damaging surrounding components. If you're unsure about handling the internal parts, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation service. We can assist you in determining if a repair is necessary. After the switch is detached, it's time to install the new switch. Take your new left switch and align it properly with the housing. Gently press it into place until you hear a click, which indicates that it's securely fitted. If you encounter any resistance, double-check the alignment to avoid breaking the switch. With the new switch in place, it's time to reassemble your device. First, replace the back cover by aligning it with the body of the Nintendo 3DS XL. Ensure that all clips are securely fastened. Next, insert the screws back into their original positions. Remember to tighten them carefully, as over-tightening can damage the screws or the casing. Before you power on your device, it's a good idea to do a final check to make sure everything is in place. If you followed along but still feel uncertain about the process, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service. It's a great way to ensure that your device is handled by professionals. Finally, power on your Nintendo 3DS XL to test the new switch. Make sure it functions correctly by checking its responsiveness. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the left switch on your Nintendo 3DS XL. If you encounter any issues, remember that our service offers no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get help right from your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.